Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Aisa if you're new, and if you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below before this video starts. And yeah, welcome to a new video. Today I decided to recreate this look. I saw this look from, I think it's Uche Natori. She created something a bit similar. I decided to put my own little twist to it, and I really like how it turned out. Yeah, it's like a bit different, but I really like it, and I hope you guys like it too. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, let's get into this look. So today I used my VDL Lumilayer Primer, and I used this in my first impressions video. So if you haven't watched it already, go and watch it. It will be in the tags up on top of you. And after that, to follow up, I'm just going to go ahead and color correct using my ABH cream contour kit as usual. I'll be using that coral shade, and yeah, I have I don't have as many dark spots as I used to, so I'm really happy, guys. So next I'll be using the VDL Perfect-Lasting Foundation, and yeah, I like this foundation, guys. It's perfect for the winter. Unfortunately, they don't have like a lot of shades, so I won't be able to use this in the summer. So this is why I've been using it a lot lately, and I mean, I really like it. The shade is good, and I know it looks really white on camera, but trust me, guys, it fits me well for now, obviously, but during the summer I'll have to change foundation for sure. And yeah, I don't know, I just like the color, the shade on me, and I know I look crazy, guys, but don't worry, it's all gonna blend in. But I'm first using my brush, and then I'll go in with my beauty blender just to soak up like the excess foundation, because yeah, we don't want to look crazy, okay guys? Oh yeah, and make sure you don't forget to blend in that neck, okay? You don't want like two different colors, so make sure you blend your neck too. Now it's my favorite part. We're gonna be using the ABH cream contour kit again, and I'll be using that nude shade and using that to highlight. So as always, I'll be highlighting my forehead, the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my chin, and like my contour, right under my contour. So I'm also gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender, of course, to blend everything in, just because it's easier for me. So for my contour, I only pointed to one shade, but I did use that shade, which is cinnamon, and I also used chocolate, which is right under the nude color. And yeah, I mixed those two together, and then I just blended everything out with my beauty blender, of course. I mixed both together just because I feel like the chocolate alone is a bit too harsh, especially like in the winter when I'm lighter, you know. So I always mix both together to like get a better color for me. next we're gonna go ahead and set everything using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in medium to tan. And don't judge me guys, like I'm running really low. I need to stock up. But yeah, first I'm using that shade which is Macchiato to set my highlighted areas. Then I'll be using the shade Espresso to set the areas where I contoured, of course. Now we're gonna move on to our eyebrows, and I'll be using this pencil from Rimmel London. And yes, I know guys, like I barely have anything left, but hey, we're gonna use everything until honestly there's nothing left. So yeah, I'm just using this pencil. I'm gonna start off by first carving out my brow shape, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in. And of course, when I'm done carving out my brows, I will be kind of cleaning them up using this concealer from NICKAK, New York. So now is the fun part. I will be using this e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I'll be using the brown shade just to put on my crease and kind of carve out my crease. And yeah, I'm really excited. I was really excited to use this palette guys, because it's this new palette that I just recently received. So yeah, it's the shades are like beautiful. I don't know if you saw them, but they're beautiful guys. So now I want to deepen my crease, so I'm going to be using the darker brown shade and just concentrate that on the outer corner. So I'm going to put that kind of on the outer corner of my eye and just keep packing it on. And of course I'll go back and kind of just put a bit more of that brown shade, the first one that I put, just to kind of blend everything in, if you understand what I mean. So because we want the shades to pop, I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I'm going to be using that nude shade to carve out the lid area, and I don't want to say my crease, but you understand what I mean. I just want to carve out the lid area where I will be applying more eyeshadows. And of course, because we don't want harsh lines, I'm gonna go back with that dark brown shade and just kind of blend everything in, you know, so that the lines aren't too harsh. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this kind of red, orangey, shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put that on my lid, but only on like the outside part, right before the dark brown shade. And next I'll be using this, I want to say peachy color, and yeah, I wish, you know, these shades had names, but they don't guys, so yeah, bear with me. But I'm using this peachy color, and I was using a brush before, but it really wasn't working for me, so I had to switch it out. And yeah, this color, you're gonna have to pack it on until you get your desired look, but I'm basically packing that on on the rest of my lid area, mostly on the inner part of my lid, and just making sure that everything is well blended. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything in once again. So I went ahead and applied lashes off camera, and now we'll move on to blush. I'll be using my duo blush as always. Okay guys, you guys know the routine. And for my highlight, I'll be using the Carli Bybel BH Cosmetics palette, and I'll be mixing that red color and that gold color together. And yeah, I just realized you couldn't really see the palette that well, but it's okay guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply that on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my forehead a little bit, and on my cupid's bow area of course, and a bit on my chin, not too much though. So for my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line them with this brown pencil, and I need a new pencil because I really don't like this one as much. It's kind of harsh for my lips, you know. I want something a bit more creamy. So if you guys have any ideas, please leave them down below in the comments so I can check them out. But yeah, I'm just lining my lips with this brown pencil, and of course my lips were moisturized beforehand. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use this True Matte lipstick from NICKAK New York, and this is in the color Santa Fe. I'm just going to put that kind of in the middle and smudge my lips together. And then on top of that, I'm going to do a glossy lid, guys. And then to tie everything in, I'll be using this Milani spray, which I love. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so glad you guys stuck through the end, and I really hope you guys like this look. I really like how it turned out. Like, I don't know, it's different for me, but yeah, and I used the new palette today, so I was really excited. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stick around, watch our other videos. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and if you do decide to recreate this look, let me know please. And yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Up in the bomb, baby. Ram town. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2.